but you want to actually get them pushing.
Okay.
Time to beat is 34 seconds. Ready?
No.
When the music hit, make it happen. Go.
Yes, I am. I'm getting squats. I'm on the inside.
You're no longer a social. He can't go with us no more.
Wow, that was weak, bro. What in the world?
The first 15 seconds, and then I started running pushing. But I was pushing. I got tired quickly.
Jesus coming over here. My thighs hurt already, bro.
Are you still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, quit recording.
Let's go.
Remember chill out with the plane.
Don't pump out.
We got a bet together.
What?
We should all move it with our minds.
Ready?
Hit.
Shut up, what?
Harder.
Keep walking, JD.
Pin, boy, I'm doing more running than pushing.
Get it, boys.
Oh, if we can get this jump moving real
You're
fast.
not helping.
Bro, get it, boys.
Get ready. Talking to me, bro. Stop playing. Yeah, 20, y'all. Y'all start pushing. Hey.
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Jeez, you're not pushing at all.
30.
Yes, I am, bro. I'm the one that making it move.
Full throttle. Run with it.
Oh, Jesus.
40.
My legs burn. Shut up. Stop talking.
Keep pushing.
Your onion was burning my nose. My legs burn.
I'm blocking, bro.
One minute.
I think I hooked it down. Why would you say that?
He did it.
Yeah, one of y'all. I believe you're chemical.
Have a lot of we about to all vote you out of this.
Go, please. Go, please. It's like we're like the president.
Shit, not for sure. This is what you do. Push, we almost done.
I really am pushing though. Y'all just keep pushing.
Exactly, bro.
130.
Oh.
135.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, radical.
Bro,
Yeah, we beat it.
shut up, Joey. Hold on. I don't know how I'm supposed to get it. It's so close.
You ready?
Rodney, Solo, Isaiah.
Mm.
You can zoom out on there and make it 25.
Oh, okay. It worked. Yes.
Now, come out so you can actually see him.
We got all the kids in the car.
Truck.
Everybody in the car.
You tilt down.
There's another car coming.
All right.
Are you ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. This was 300 pounds here.
Especially since Jude.
Like 160.
Stop playing with me.
I was working on this. And you guys sold it at like 12.
walks like a zebra. Oh, this him?
Catch Judah. Catch Judah. Yeah, you got the momentum going now. Oh, it's about to slow down.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right.
Tough.
Oh.
He told him help himself. Judy's supposed to help him up.
I'm gonna have to push it away back. Go down, you gotta go back.
Ew!
You get that out.
Duh, Judah. It be the same people riding in the car all the time. Riding through here.
You ready?
Mr. Terry walking across the street.
We gotta get this tied up right.
I need you to interview.
Alright, you ready?
Yup.
Let's get it.
You going down what side? Yes, sir, with them beefy old Michael Jordan 23s.
Don't make him laugh.
Oh, you gotta bring that all the way down, son. I'm tilting this. You twisting, boy.
Welcome to that incline.
He's pulling towards the house, right?
No, he's going to multi-home.
Oh.
What the? Oh, that's back there. The black shaped building.
It's a trailer, dude.
Yeah, it's the trailer.
Us. Bro, this shit circulating my arm.
Us.
Let's see if you can get under a minute.
Yeah.
Starting now.
Huh?
A minute.
Starting now.
Hey, get a light jog in, son.
Give me a sec.
Pause the timer.
Huh?
Pause the timer.
Alright.
Bro, why did they just do a U-turn to come back around? Now get on mine. Yo. We done. Oh, that's solo teacher. No, it's not. I think so. She with somebody. I think that's her dad probably, or just people that smiling at Chase put it in work. Chase, you need me to join you?
Nah, bro, this strap.
You need to put some pads on your shoulders. What you staring at? I mean,
going weird. I don't know how we had it last time. I'm getting frustrated a little bit.
he finna get mad.
Huh?
I was getting mad because I kept missing every basketball shot.
It's the ropes. Damn ropes.
I'm pausing. All right now, cool.
When you let it go, take it off.
Judah.
You ready?
Let's get it.
Judah, he over there, so all right now, cool. For the trip on that road. Yo, beefy Jordans for the. Really? You get. What's that smell? Yes, sir, Cheese. Push that. Pull that. Back up, Judah.
I gotta get closer to 0.5.
20.
It's in 0.5, which means zoom in, duck.
No, because if I zoom in, it's gonna look weird. I gotta go all the way.
Let's start talking on the audio. 30.
He stopped, Daddy.
Alright.
Halfway.
Kicking your behind, huh?
You know you're.
Alright.
It's a mosquito eating me.
Oh,
He stopped.
get in there. What's wrong with this? Oh, I got a little bit more to go. Got a little audience. It's on my way. I feel a lot more cool. But I gotta get to that trailer right there.
No, just watch.
Yeah.
Go to the back.
I think it's gonna be good. So let's see if I can burn out. See if I can make it there without stopping. You ready, Coach?
Let's go. Don't stop till you get there. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
Y'all clap him up,
Go.
so.
Yeah. It works in the movies. Every time they make noises, go hard. Let's go.
Ooh, you got it.
Oh, made it.
All right.
I was just going all the way down to the stop sign. I was gonna sit.
Yeah.
Legs is dead.
Let me try.
That one was more raw like that.
So understand
Sorry for the
that
hand, though.
nothing should be able to be too hard because you pull and push a full Suburban.
Why so? With kids in it. And in the door.
Push it. Who gonna talk about? Yeah. Drive. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hit it.
Dang.
Exactly. What you laughing at?
Get started. And you on the incline.
Oh, he doing it.
Serge, you do?
Go straight.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got this, buddy?
How big is this camera?
Uh-huh. That's what I'm talking about. Scream with it.
He said scream with it.
Ah!
He taking it step by step. Yes, sir.
You can do it anyway, man. Scream with it. Ah!
Get.
Do it, Judith.
Hey,
I was about to say, get to the
come out.
truck.
We got a car coming.